Hi, so today I have solar lights. It's a 4-pack from Bridika. So here's a solar panel. You could mount them. It has option for 2 screws. It has all the screws you need to mount to all 4. In order to get these to work, to light on, you might need a stick or a screwdriver. On the bottom it has an on and off switch. So once you turn it on, the light turns on. But of course they only work in the dark. So let's turn them all on and I'll show you where I'm gonna put them and show you how beautiful they look outside. So this is the switch that I was saying. So you go in here, you flip the switch and it turns on. Just leave them on and then you put them outside. So when they get dark, they turn on automatically.